Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pools in Derry, New Hampshire. Today with me is Roy Harrison from Pentair. Roy, you were kind enough to come by and visit us a while ago and give us a rundown on the automation. Would you mind giving us a refresher on that?
Sure, absolutely. Thanks for having us again, Ken.
Of course.
So when we talk about the IntelliCenter is not a pool control. It's not a spa control. It's a backyard control. It can do everything from pumps, filters, heaters, lights, home automation, and is internet capable. When we look at the IntelliCenter, you have the ability through one panel to control up to 10 high voltage relays. You can go up to 4 of these panels and have 40 high voltage relays if the pool warrants that. So we have a series of opportunities to upgrade this panel, which we'll talk about. And also I just want to mention too, when we talk about home automation, we are capable right now with Crestron, Control 4, Elan, and Savant. And any other driver codes that we would need can satisfy your backyard needs.
That's exciting, yeah. Being able to tie it into your house, it's really cool. What are some of the upgrades that we'd be able to have on this guy?
So one of the upgrades that we're happy to see this year is we do have a new antenna. And that antenna is a 900 megahertz antenna, which is a stronger signal, which is basically, when you talk about internet, you can have direct power or power over Ethernet. So it can be direct internet or power over Ethernet. So as far as the capabilities, how easy it is to upgrade, all of the upgrade plans are through this daughter card. So we can go to 8 relays, 10 relays, shared equipment, dual equipment, just by plug and play into the main board. You can see one of the boards right here now. You would just go and add that right on. And also it comes with a system transformer. You would change out that system transformer with 4 screws, and the low voltage breakers that you see up here in the top right hand corner, you would just basically take the 3 amps and replace it with the 4 and 5 amp, just plug and play. So that's basically all it is, and then after that it's just programming the system.
Nice and easy. So Roy, one of the most common things that people want to control is their pump. How does that work with the system?
Well, this system, the IntelliCenter, can control up to 16 variable speed pumps without the use of a relay, a high voltage relay. One of the things that is new this year in the industry for us is that we have a new cable, which is now RS485 capable. So you'll take the Supermax variable speed pump, which you can control too, and you can use this. Instead of using high voltage relays for speeds, this has the communication. Just goes direct port.
Yeah. Gone over the IntelliCenter, but I know that Pentair has a whole family of automation controls for any backyard. Would you be able to give me a little information on that?
Absolutely. Well, we do have automation for every backyard. And I know recently I saw a statistic that said over the next 2 years, more than 65% of existing pool owners plan to upgrade their backyard. So we want to be part of that. So we have answers from IntelliCenter into a mid-grade Easy Touch controller, which will control 2 variable speed pumps, and right down to, if you would, an IntelliConnect. The IntelliConnect product is a 2 high voltage device where you can control a pump, heater, lights, cleaner, all through one system, which is Wi-Fi capable. So that's more of an entry-level product. Also new this year, we have the IntelliSync control and monitoring system. This is basically a pump control. So externally from your specifics of your pump, you can actually have this through a Bluetooth device. Very easy to install, has a QR code, which gives you great installation instructions. Here you can basically have a water sensor, an air sensor, and your pump connected to this device, and you'll be able to make changes on the fly, whether you're at home, in the office, or anywhere that you can get Wi-Fi
Really
capability. That's the IntelliSync.
That's an awesome new product. Thank you. This has been Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies with Roy Harrison from Pentair. Thank you so much for walking through automation with us today.
Thanks for having us again today,
Oh,
Ken.
of course. Thanks for watching.